Hey everybody, stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to avoid the YouTube rut and really get better on guitar in a hurry. I'm going to show you how to get through this song with your acoustic guitar if you're playing by yourself. And you know this is going to be helpful because there's not a lot of guitar in the verses and in the choruses. So I'm going to show you how you can do it when you're playing by yourself to get through this song, okay? The first thing you're going to do, I'm not going to go overboard explaining this because it's really easy. I'm just going to show you. I'm on E on the 7th fret. I'm going to hammer on to F sharp and then play this next little note right here, A. Then a real quick jump down to the 5th fret where we're going to play two strings, the two inside strings. You can just lay your finger down and then do the same, almost the same thing again, but you do it like this. You play 7 and 5. So far we got two things. We got this and we got this. Alright, that's really most of it. And then you do the first one again and then a little bit different on the last one, the hammer on and a real quick jump down to the 5th fret. So when you put all that together, you're going to get for the verse, think of it as A minor and G and back to A minor. You want to count it like this. 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. And then in the chorus, you can go A minor, fly like to a D, to an F, and back to A minor. Fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly like an eagle, let my spirit carry me. I want to fly like an eagle to the sea. Now with these pieces, you can certainly make your own arrangement. When I do it, I don't do the whole thing. I just do the couple of verses, couple of choruses. People seem to know the song, they like it, they sing along. So back to the how to get better on guitar, how to avoid the YouTube hole, the wormhole. What can happen, YouTube is so magnificent for helping us that we can wind up really spending too much time just scrolling and surfing and seeing all our favorite videos and all our favorite teachers on YouTube. And while that can be helpful, it can be a distraction from what you really need to be doing, which is playing your guitar. So here's the tip. Make a list of your 5 or 6 favorites, okay? Go and see what they've put out about once a week. But when you find a video that you want to really study on, just jot it down, make a list. Plan your practice on paper. Write down the things that you know you need to do every single day and stick to doing those things and spend a little less time just scrolling endlessly through all the cool guitar videos on YouTube. That should help you get better on guitar. Alright, my name's Matt. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Time keeps on slipping, slipping.
We're teaching you how to read music through drills like these and regular progress checks. Take a look at this sample.